I'm too scared to go look. You alright?
I don't know. She's bleeding out her nose.
Oh my fucking God. Look at this. Keisha, watch it, cause that car's still trying to go.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Yo, what you want them to do? You see all these
I
accidents.
don't know. There's one down the street, but I can't really see because the snow's really bad.
It's like 4 cars down there in the accident. They ones hit the car first and hit him.
Holden, HOLD again.
I don't know how to work her phone.
I don't even know this number. Because this is an app.
Oh my God.
I can't check the numbers. No, I don't know the number. I just got the number. And now I can't press the button on my phone. It won't let me because I'm doing an emergency call.
They beeping trying to get by, and all these doing cars keep sliding. They trying to go by. There's nothing they can do.
Cars. There's 3 gray cars in front of my house. There's 2 cars down the street that are crashed up with each other, and then there's cars down the street. They have
that car down there?
with each other. It's like 3 different accidents all in the middle of my street.
Top, where my phone at?
Yours not bad, and it's just a little.
Yo, they hit that thing like 3 or 4 fucking times. What the fuck I'm gonna do? I don't know. You had it last.
You had it.
I didn't touch it.
Upstairs.
It's up there.
On the bed.
Where the girl is?
She right there. Yeah. She thinks she broke her nose.
She still need to get your brother.
They still hitting.
Huh?
They still hitting cars.
They still hitting cars. Yes? What do you mean what happened? Cars hit? Hello? It says poor connection. Hello? It says poor connection. Poor connection.
What car is this one right here? Did you check it?
Stand down.
Fuck no! These dumbasses still trying to drive.
Yep. Yeah, her nose fucked up.
Yeah. Oh my God, really?
But his, like, I came, and you're not even that bad. I looked at yours.
Right.
I just clipped yours. Him, the guy that...
The black car, right?
It was parked where I'm parked at. And then boom, I hit it
Yeah.
all the way up.
It's slippery right here. They need to get some ice. But look, nobody else can come down. Oh my God. And they acting stupid trying to get by. Oh my gosh. She thinks she broke her nose.